but to experience what it feels like when your body is preparing for death. When you're out there and you're fasting for 4 days and 4 nights, your body goes through chemical and biological processes that you normally don't get to experience. And that influences your brain. It influences your thoughts. A universal experience across the board for people who go out and have these experiences of fasting is a humility, a gratitude for food. Simple food. You come back from a fast and you have a little bit of broth and some crackers, and you've never been more grateful for that meal in your life. So there's a problem with not facing off with death in our society and how that affects us in our sense of entitlement, right? We go to the grocery store nowadays and we hunt for food by walking through the aisles with our grocery carts. We just dump stuff in mindlessly because it's there, because it's so easy. It's effortless to go and get food, at least to our perception. All we have to do is come up with a little bit of money.